Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I have created this look for Eid. I just love this look. Can I just say I really love this look? This is so nice. Versatile that you can wear it with lots and lots of outfits. And yeah, I just love this. So yeah, and also while you are watching this, I have also uploaded Eid ke different outfits on my Instagram. So do follow me there as well for some Eid outfit ideas, recommendations, and yeah. So without any further ado, let's get started. The first product which we'll be using is this moisturizer from Clinique. I'll be just applying a nice layer onto this face. Okay, so now it's time for primer. For primer, I'll be just using my go-to Miss Claire primer, and I'll be just applying this much on my T-zone. Okay, so now also I'll be applying this Sugars Illuminating Moisturizer in the shade Pink Tripping. So I'll be just taking this much generous amount. Maybe more. I'll be just, because for Eid we need that glowy skin and that shine. Okay, so for foundation I'll be just applying my Super Stay foundation from Maybelline. This is in the shade Natural Beige. So I'll be just taking, because we need full coverage this time, that is the reason I'm using this. This is so good. And also additionally I'll be just taking my highlighter. I'll be just taking it and एकदम ज़्यादा swirl करके I'll be just mixing it into my foundation and applying it on my face so that we get the glowy finish from within. So I'll be just taking Beauty Blender and blending the strokes out, just a little bit. This foundation is very good. This is full coverage foundation. Still you can see some of the scars. It is buildable, but I'm thinking ki karu ki nahi karu. Maybe I'll just take one more pump of this. Tiny pump, and I'll be just applying it and also thoda niche right मैंने तो लगाया. I'll just be patting it so that I get full coverage. Okay, so for concealer, I'll be just taking these two concealers. This is from Swiss Beauty. I just recently bought it. This is in the shade 01. And this is the NYX concealer, HD Studio concealer in the shade CW03. So I'll be just mixing both of them together and blending it out. Just a little bit. So this concealer is not very dark, but yeah, it is dark. Second concealer is this concealer, and this is type of concealer. It's very light. So I'll be just blending. Both the concealers are very good. And I'll be just also applying it here. Okay, so Eid is kind of key. You can just glam your makeup look to another level even though you're not going out. Just blending it with this brush only. So yeah, I'll be just patting this also. So beautiful, it gives the curve. This is so beautiful. We're just doing it here also. So do you guys see I have changed my background this time because I was not feeling to shoot there. So I just changed it for this time. So what do you guys think? Isko kuch itna hai nahi. It is just plain blue curtains. But what do you guys still think? I would like to know. You like that background better or this background better? Last week I could not upload anything on YouTube because I was very busy with work, so I could not upload anything. So this time I am back. I hope कि ये time I shot one animal print makeup look video. I'm not sure कि if I'm going to upload it or नहीं. Let me know in the comments if you really want to see that. Okay, so for today powdering my face, I'll be just using this Clinique Perfectly Real Compact in the shade 128. So I'm trying a lot of new compact powders just to see कि कौन सा अच्छा है. I'm really liking the क्या बोलते हैं Lakme का rose powder, also MAC का Studio Fix, which is cult favorite. Everybody loves that. And Wet n Wild का I did not like it that much. I have क्या बोलते हैं, I have used that in the animal print वाला video. So let me know if you really want to see that video कि नहीं. Okay, so little bit of bronzing time. So I'm just using this Miss Claire blusher. I'm just taking it on this brush. This is like a slant brush. And we're just taking a little bit and applying it. Okay, so back in 2019, that Eid I went to, if you guys know, Muhammad Ali Road in Mumbai. So I went there and can I just to try कि क्या खाना मिलता है, कैसा है, because people were raving about it that time. So I just thought कि I'll just go there and I'll just have some day. Firstly, I'm pure vegetarian, so that place is not for pure vegetarians. मतलब comparatively उधर खाना for pure vegetarians बहुत कम मिलेगा वेज लोगों के लिए. So I went there, so there were lots of kebabs and everything for non-veg people. मतलब उनके लिए तो वो जन्नत है, ठीक है. तो बहुत ज़्यादा खाना था for non-veg people. तो with me there were few non-vegetarians who were very happy going to that place. They were like very excited and उन्होंने तो क्या खाया है. But there was that क्या बोलते हैं, मावा जलेबी was there. फिर ठीक है, और क्या था, इट वॉज सो प्रिटी. एंड दैट कोकोनट स्मूदी वो भी था. इट वॉज सो टेस्टी, लाइक लिटरली वन ऑफ द बेस्ट थिंग. आई लाइक अगर अभी भी खुला होता I would have definitely gone there and had just that smoothie because that is so tasty, coconut smoothie. They add milk maid, the fresh cream, lots and lots of dry fruits and everything. It is so nice and you can definitely try that out. Abhi nahi, matlab after lockdown ends and after this corona thing ends. Okay, so now I'm using this blush from Sugar. This is in the shade Pink Pineapple. Okay, so now I'm using this Plum ka face mist. I'm almost out of it. This is so good, so beautiful. So I'll be just spritzing it out. So I like to do this because I feel कि highlighter on wet surface ज़्यादा shine करता है. So yeah, I like to do this. Okay, so now we'll do the brows. This is the Etude House brow pencil in the shade. Maybe it's dark brown. Yeah, it's dark brown. I'll be just spooling my brush eyebrows upwards. I'll be just taking. ठीक है, so parlor बंद है, so I am not able to क्या बोलते हैं, आई एम नॉट एबल टू डू माई आईब्रोज. आई डिड समथिंग विथ माई आईब्रोज घर पे, बट आई वुड प्रेफर डूइंग इट इन द सैलॉन. सो पार्लर दीदी टू बी स्पेसिफिक. So yeah, I'm just waiting कि कब पार्लर खुले. I'll. Okay, so this is the best I could do right now because my eyebrows are very bushy, and so I'll be just taking my concealer, this the NYX concealer, and I'll be just applying it on my eyelids little bit, just like a primer, eye primer to prime my lids. Okay, so plan for today is versatile eye look so that it can be worn with all the outfits, and yeah, let's just get started into it. I'll be just taking a little bit of mix of brown and maroon and applying it on my crease, in my crease. A little bit of orange and red ka combo and applying it on my outer corner of the lid. Little bit tapping off the excess. Make it a wing. Okay, so the eyes are done. Now just to add a little bit of cool tone, I'll be just mixing a little bit of silver. Okay, so now we have placed our silver. So now again we'll be taking light brown, mix of orange and red, and blending this silver out. If you want to add more silver, we can. So I might add a little bit of more silver after blending this. I'll be just taking the light brown shade, and so I don't want to overpower it so that वो मतलब फिर वो गंदा हो जाए. So I'm just taking a little bit of light brown shade and also little bit of orange red to just sink it कि वो wing नीचे से भी आ रहा है. Yeah, so now this is looking pretty. So for additional step, I am just taking this glitter from MAC. This is in the shade, I'll just leave it down below. I'll be just add it as a topper in the middle just to give that extra pop. This is looking very pretty, and also I'm putting it in my inner corners just to. So the eye look is almost done. Now I'll be just applying a little bit of eyeliner. This is by Lakme. The eyeliner is also done. I am so happy with this look. Okay, so now it's time for mascara. I'll be just using my Last Sensational from Maybelline, and I'll be just applying a very nice coat of it. So mascara is also done. The last step is the lips. So I'll be just mixing these two shades. This is from Sugar. This is in the shade Princess Peach. This would look so pretty with this look, I feel. And this is the Swiss Beauty's liquid lipstick in the shade Coffee, because I am more of a brown person, so I like to mix that. So I'll be just taking this lipstick first, the Sugar one, and I'll be just applying it. The last thing which I'll be doing is I'll be just applying this lip gloss. This is from Clinique. So I'll be just applying it a little, maybe in the centers only. So this is it, you guys. Can I just say I love this look. This is so nice. I genuinely love this look. And do like, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also follow me on Instagram for more outfit and quick ideas there as well. I would love to join you all. So yeah, thank you for watching.